Welcome to watch this video. Today we will learn about precautions for installation of secondary structure high voltage lithium battery cluster. Unpacking. This is the packing box of the product. It contains the high voltage box, battery pack, rack and accessories. Accessories include product manuals, wiring diagrams, power line, communication line, front panel fixing bracket and baffle. Note: when installing, please bring your multimeter, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, 2mm flathead screwdriver, electric hammer, insulated gloves, expansion screws, opening wrench. Installation location selection. Equipment should be installed in a well-ventilated area, cool dry location. The back and sides of the battery rack can be placed close to the wall. Make sure to reserve 1 meter of operating space on the front side. Equipment installation. The following installation demonstration takes 409 volts, 300 amp hours as an example. Size as shown. First, place the battery rack in the right place. Parallel frame holes and install fixing holes are reserved at the bottom of the battery rack. Customers can use it according to their actual needs. Battery pack placement sequence. Please put it on the shelves and fix it in the order of wiring diagram. Wiring method and sequence. Find the matching power line 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow the following steps to connect. Installation step 1. Line 1 to BC, your high voltage box B+ connector, and B+ interface of BMU8 battery packs. Installation step 2. Line 3 to BMU8 battery pack B- connector and B+ interface of BMU7 battery packs. Ensure that the positive and negative connectors are connected between every two adjacent packs. Installation step 3. Follow step 2 with line 3. Connect the B+ and B- ports of the battery packs in turn, except BMU5 and BMU4. Installation step 4. Line 4 to BMU5 battery pack B- connector and B+ interface of BMU4 battery pack. Remark that the long distances here, battery racks should be placed in a compact manner, avoiding insufficient wiring length. Installation step 5. Line 2 connects the BMU1 battery pack B- connector to the B- connector, the BCU high voltage box. This completes the 1, 2, 3, 4 power line connections. Communication connection. Take out the shorter communication cable, sequentially down from the BCU high voltage box. Misalign connect to the COM network port of BMU battery packs. Always keep the left COM port down to the right COM port. Of these, the longer communication network cables used to span connect BMU6 and BMU5 battery pack COM ports. It's still a misaligned connection. At this point, the battery communication cable is connected. Communication connection. After complete the connection, before turn on the battery, please measure the COM port of the high voltage box with a multimeter in the ohm model. The resistance about 60 ohms indicates a normal communication connection. Then, close the high voltage box breaker. Detect the P+ and P- voltage values of the battery with a multimeter DC voltage model to check whether it agrees with the value shown on the display. Check the display for fault messages. If the display fault screen are all green light, then the system is normal. This time can be switched off and wait for connected to subsequent device. The above is the entire content of this video.